Here, you're looking at our standard 10-inch lowered floor power remote controlled bifold ramp system. With the touch of the factory key fob, you can open and close a power sliding door, exposing our powered bifold non-slip ramp that is not only easy to negotiate, but also does not require the use of a complicated kneeling system. Once inside the van, you'll notice our easy-to-clean non-slip flooring, as well as our strategically positioned in-floor wheelchair securement points. The passenger seat in our conversion rolls out, providing the wheelchair user the option to be seated in the front passenger position. Additionally, we believe in keeping the performance, profile, and ride quality as close to OEM specifications as possible. Adaptive Vans is America's largest family-owned and operated wheelchair-accessible van manufacturer. If you'd like to purchase factory direct, please visit adaptivevans.com or call us today. From our family to yours, we are Adaptive Vans.